Have you ever thought how clean is green energy? The notion of renewable energy as our savior from environmental doom is captivating yet misleading. Many people imagine fields of wind turbine and solar panels generating clean electricity with no downside. We ignore the complex reality behind so-called clean energy. Yes, renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydrothermal power do provide alternatives to fossil fuels and can significantly reduce carbon emission when in operation. But the process of manufacturing, transporting, and maintaining these technologies often involves the use of resources that result in environmental consequences that are sometimes overlooked. One important thing people often ignore about renewable energy is how it's made. Making solar panels and wind turbines needs materials like silicon, special rare metals, and a lot of water. Mining these materials from the earth can seriously harm the environment. It can destroy animal homes, damage soil, and pollute water. Also, making these technology uses a lot of energy and causes greenhouse gas emission. Even though these emissions are much less than those from fossil fuels, they still make renewable energy a little less clean. Also, moving the materials and finished products from place to place causes more harm to the environment. And switching to renewable energy also needs a lot of land. Big solar and wind farms take up huge areas which can disturb animals, plants, and the way how land is already being used. Wind farms can cover thousands of acres, and solar panels often take up land that was once used for farming or animals. This big change in land use can harm local animals and plants. While it's true that renewable installations can coexist with agriculture in some cases, but not every piece of land is suitable, which leads to conflict that we must navigate cautiously. The indirect environmental impacts, including the disruption of local wildlife, need to be weighed in the balance when considering the bigger picture. There are lesser known facts about renewable energy technology as its dependence on scarce resources. Truly clean energy is hard to achieve because some important materials are very rare. Metals needed for wind turbines and electric car battery are in short supply. This may sound that renewable energy is not good, but that's not the case. I am highly optimistic about renewable energy, and the purpose of this video is to highlight the aspects related to the sustainable development for some intellectual people. The environmental implications of such issues will be discussed in next video. Till then, keep connected. And if you find this interesting, please do not forget to like it. Thank you for watching.